Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one we're discussing how to connect Gemini to Gmail. So firstly guys, open up the hub, which is of course our Gemini, and then navigate to the settings right here, and then go to connected apps. And then guys, make sure this is a vital step to enable the app, which is this one, which is Google Workspace. Because as you can see, one of them is actually Gmail. Also, if you are doing this for the first time, you will have a prompt appearing and asking for permission to access your data. So just accept that. And then you can now go to the main chat and type in @Gmail. All right, as you can see, if you see the Gmail icon pop up, you're connected. Also, pro tip for mobile: if it's not working on your phone, open your Gmail app settings, go to your accounts and ensure smart features and personalization is ticked. Then also guys, if you go into Gmail, now as you can see we have this little button, try Gemini, that as you can see you can use to summarize your emails and perform other different and various operations within your Gmail. So that's it, you're now connected and mission complete. Stop searching, start asking. If this connection guide helped you reclaim your inbox, hit like and subscribe.